Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. A very happy day out there to everybody watching. I am so excited to actually get this video up and going. I did 7 looks with the new Natasha Denona Love palette. This is the final look that I will walk you through. I'll speed it up, shorten it, play some music, and have fun. I hope you guys enjoy. Really quick before we get started with all of these looks, I do want to say thank you for watching. If you wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up button, make sure that you are subscribed and your little bell is ringing as to how often you would like to see me pop up. If you have any other palette ideas for 7 looks, because I really love focusing on a palette for 1 week and recreating looks. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna just kind of keep going here. So I hope to see you guys in the end of the video for a quick review.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my funland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. just to find the loudest tease. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tease. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tease. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause
really, really appreciate everybody that did watch all 7 looks. If you wouldn't mind, down in the comments really quick, tell me which look was your favorite. Some of them I think were a little similar. I did take notes and made sure that I used all the colors at least once. Some of them I tried different places on my eye. Anyways, really quick, this is my first big NATASHA DENONA palette. I mean, I have like too many bars, like the baby babies. So anyways, the only thing I will say that really does bum me out, because I know that she has many different formulas in here, is that it's on the cardboard unicarton, and I got crazy pants because I couldn't get in here, and I manhandled my unicarton, so I'm gonna have to tape this somewhere. But anyways, I do really, really love this palette. I did decide to buy this palette here because I recently have gotten really, really comfortable with these tones. There are many of them very, very unique to my collection. I really, really love these duochromes right here. Like, they do great with a dry brush, a wet brush, just your fingers. Like, you get different finishes every which way you go. Recently I've gotten these like silicone things, and I actually really, really like these ones better than a wet brush. It gives the same effect, but I don't have to wet anything before I go in there. These are Sephora brand. They were like $4. There was a 2-pack. But anyways, we'll link them down below if they're still available. But just, I mean, I bought them because I didn't like the little itty bitty. Anyways, the palette. Okay, I will say I had absolutely no issues with any of them, but 2 shades. These 2 right here, these are the cream pigments that are in here. I did get fallout, but I do powder my face, at least just a little bit, so it brushed away. I don't have any color streaks on my face. So if that is something you worry about, I would do your makeup first, but for myself, they just brushed away. I have dry skin. I don't go heavy with the powder, so I have a very, very light dusting of powder on my face, and they brushed away. Everything else, they blended fine. The pigment was great. I'm so happy about this palette, but at the same time, it almost makes me a little scared because now I want all of them. So if you are still hanging out with me here, I really, really appreciate it. What should be my next NATASHA DENONA palette? Let me know. I really, really, really want the Biba palette is really high on my list. And the gold palette, I've been watching and wanting those for years. But anyways, just like a really quick mini review. I do have dry aging skin. I forgot to put eye primer on today. I forgot 2 other days. I don't remember which days they were because that I didn't note. And my makeup was different every day, so I apologize. The makeup in the description box is what's on my face today. But I actually didn't find that I needed an eye primer with these shadows. So they wore fine without, and I tried 3 different eye primers. So for me, these were really, really fantastic. I am absolutely interested in other NATASHA DENONA palettes. Again, let me know, what is your suggestion? What is your favorite NATASHA DENONA palette? Did you grab this? What are your thoughts on it? And yeah, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.